Hi guys, Chicago Whales Family Breakers. After a nice hiatus here, we got another pack of cards. We got a couple boxes here today of 2018 Topps Chrome Update. So they're the mega boxes. Tough to come by. I wish I could pay $20, but it doesn't work out that way. We paid a little bit more on eBay, but let's open these guys up and see if we can find an Acuna or a Torres or a Soto. We'll see what happens. The parallels are pretty good. So anyway, let's get this going, see what we can do. All right, boys.
Dad, can I blow on it?
Yeah, you sure can. There you go, kiddo.
Sadly, that didn't help us with bowling.
Box number 1.
But it will this time. I feel it.
Come on, Devers is
So the 2018 Topps Chrome. There are only, I think, 4 cards per pack, and we get 7 packs in each. So let's see what we can get done right here, right now. Pack number 1. This one should go pretty quickly. We're looking for the big boys. Pack number 1. Shane Bieber rookie. So looking for the rookie cards here. Austin Meadows rookie. That's not a bad one. Not a bad start here.
Who's Austin Meadow?
He played for the Rays.
Tampa Bay.
There you go. That's
So
a
I
good
guess
start.
he's good, probably.
So a couple rookies here in the first pack. Let's keep it going. Hopefully we can hit one of the big boys. I see Washington on the back, and it's Juan Soto. There we go. Let's see if it's his all-star card or if it's his big one.
Hopefully it's not rookie debut.
Hopefully.
Mookie Betts on the front. International Affair, Shohei. Lorenzo Cain, and
It's rookie debut.
rookie debut Juan Soto.
Is it
That's
a refractor? That's a refractor.
It's a refractor.
Turn it
Nice.
around. You can see on the back. Does it say refractor?
It doesn't say refractor
Here,
here,
wait,
but
like
it's
put
a
it in
nice
the camera
card.
and then like move it around a little bit.
It does look like
No, it's not. Dang it! It looked like it from this angle. Oh no, it does. Look on the camera.
Yeah, I'm looking. It does look like it.
it's a
Well,
nice
we'll figure
card
that out
any way
later.
you slice it. So
We'll figure that out.
we got a good start here on the first couple packs.
A few of the big boys already came and knocking.
JD Martinez on the back there.
Oh,
Albies rookie. Nice.
see, you're so stacked.
Yachty. Kenley Jansen and JD Martinez. All right. And Willie Adams. Rookie card. Munoz rookie. We got a refractor here, Cam.
Back. Put it on the back. Please be so.
Oh, it's an international affair.
Joey Votto.
Joey Votto. And Jordan Hicks on the back there, rookie card.
Well, not the best one. But it's still pretty good.
Not bad. Atlanta Braves on the back here.
Is it Ronald Acuna?
It isn't. Jesse Biddle. That's not the same
Hopefully
as
he's in
Ronald.
the middle. Hold for
Nolan Arenado.
Ooh.
Eric Hosmer.
Ronald Acuna, please.
Torres rookie card.
Nice.
There we go.
Torres.
Man, we are doing okay here to start. That's not a bad card.
It's just a stacked rookie year. That's why the boxes cost so much.
That's right. Really hoping for an Acuna. Something fun.
Shouldn't be that hard to come by. So, oh, there's Hoskins, right? Oh, no, I thought that was Hoskins.
Chris Davis, Jordan and Matt Harvey.
Dad, can I blow on the last pack?
Sure, kiddo. Let's see what we can get done here. All right.
Let's do this.
Bregman. We got a
Bregman on
cheater
the
on the
back.
back.
Yep, that's right.
Cheater.
And look who's on the front.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's a nice one.
Yes.
It's pretty tip-top shape.
It sure
That
is.
was
Put that aside.
awesome, Dad.
Dustin Fowler,
Is he good?
No, I don't really know. I mean, I've heard of him, but not.
Scooter Jeanette, and a cheater. All right.
Cheater.
Wow.
Nice
All
little
right.
first box.
That was
That's
not
nice.
bad for the first box. I think we got
We
our,
had a variety of rookies.
we got an Acuna, we got a Gleyber Torres, we got a Juan Soto, but it was his all-star, and we got the Shohei. So let's move on to box number 2. That was a winner.
Uh-huh. That was a nice one. Hopefully, this one can offer us something. Can I blow again?
Yeah, sure. That worked out pretty well the first time.
Zach
Let's keep
left
that
kicked
going.
into the last one. Hopefully, we can kick in for this one. I
Wow.
didn't think we were going to get an Acuna.
They're pretty easy to come by in these things. These things are like rookie pack.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
well,
I didn't know that.
I've seen boxes miss, so let's see what we can get done in this one. All right, pack number 1. I see a Yankee on the back.
Please.
Andujar.
Oh.
And a Soto rookie card on the front. We got
Ooh,
all of them.
Wow.
We got all the big boys in this.
Yes.
And an Otani rookie card.
That's not worth as much, sadly, but
It's still a nice card.
that's
There we go. And the Andujar I mentioned. Goodness. I guess stuff's pretty good. What's that on the floor?
We got a Philly on the back.
All right. Matt Kemp All-Star. Aaron Judge International Affair.
Oh, it's not a special card.
And an Acuna rookie debut card.
nice.
2 Acunas.
I think that's like a $50, $60 card PSA 10.
Wow. Well, doing okay here. On to the next pack. And I'm seeing a duplicate on the back, but that's okay. All right. Francisco Lindor.
Ooh.
Joey Votto again. Austin Meadows, rookie again.
Is that the same exact card?
Yeah, I think it is. And Nick Markakis
Cool.
again.
We are getting pretty lucky.
Let's see if we can get some something that's single print here.
Is that an Astro or is it something?
Trevor Story. Piscotti. And I think we got an International Affair Javi Baez here. And Lorenzo Cain.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
All right, getting down to the nitty gritty. Juan Soto on the back.
Again.
Ichiro.
Otani,
Rookie debut. Otani. And an autograph of Clint Frazier here.
Oh, Frazier's not bad.
Clint
Yes.
Frazier auto.
And as we mentioned, we have the.
You wish it was the Soto.
And it's Soto rookie debut. That would have been nice. But this is pretty sweet too.
Mm-hmm. 3 Sotos.
That's a Yep, that's a refractor auto. That's
Nice.
for sure.
Wish it was one of the rookies, but that's
He is a
a
rookie.
pretty sweet pack.
He is a rookie. It says it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a rookie Clint Frazier. Sweet. Yeah, we got Albies rookie card here. Not bad. Another International Affair. Rafael Devers here. It's not a bad card. Kenley Jansen and JD Martinez. All right, last pack. Can you blow on it?
Last one.
Wow.
This.
Everything
is
it's been cracked up to be so far.
Gleyber
Torres on the back.
Yes. We are doing insane, Dad.
Scott Kingery. Another Gleyber. We doubled up on the Gleybers in this pack.
Insane.
Jordan Hicks and Gleyber Torres. We got 2 Torres in the same pack. Not bad. Well, all right. Let's do a recap here of all the hits because I think this we definitely did pretty well in this set here.
Pause. Oh my god.
All right. Let's see here. We got. Let me go through them all here. We got Albies. We got Torres. We got Torres. We got Devers. We got Albies. We got Juan Soto rookie debut. We got Clint Frazier rookie auto.
Refractor.
That's a nice one. We got Shohei rookie debut. Austin Meadows.
Another Austin.
Another Austin Meadows. Ronald Acuna Jr. rookie debut. A Shohei. And the big boy right here. Juan Soto.
So
Dad, let me count how many those are.
We got a couple more here, kiddo.
Oh, I didn't.
We got a Soto rookie debut. International Affairs Shohei. Another Gleyber Torres. And last but not least, Ronald Acuna Jr.
Let me
All right.
count how many hits that is. 1, 2, 3.
All right, we're gonna cut it off right there. We got some work to do. We got some cards to get graded here. Have a good one, everybody.